For initial power on of the machine, make sure that you've connected the power cord to the power socket here on the machine's left side or the operator's right side, and run it to a proper 110 volt or 120 volt grounded AC outlet. Preferably a good quality surge protector to protect the electronics on your machine. And with that done, if you want to remove any protection layer on the touchscreen controller so you can get easier access to it, you can. And the controller itself comes with a stylus if need be. So the controller itself comes with a stylus and the toolkit for manipulating the touchscreen. Alright, make sure that you have a little bit of room on each side as you power on the machine with a power switch here, so we'll turn that on. And what you're going to see is the control panel should light up initially. And you're looking for the light bank here, and you want to wait until the next button is flashing here, which means it's ready to boot into the operation or drive screen. So we'll go ahead and press that, and when we do, look for the machine to do a quick limit check with the arms. So we'll hit next. So that quick limit check happens, and we're now in the main sewing screen. To properly shut down the machine, you can simply hit the black rocker switch down here to turn it off. There is a red emergency stop button for you to shut down the machine in case of an emergency, but preferably for proper shutdown, make sure the machine is not sewing. The green start button also functions as the stop button to stop the machine, and then powering down is with the black rocker switch.